Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, October 5th, and this is my full top-down analysis for the Euro-US dollar. We're starting on the monthly time frame, working our way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. So one of the ways that my main analysis has been that this is an expanding flat, and if it is an expanding flat, I would expect it to make 5 waves up, probably at least to the 134, maybe even the 1.36 area. Now, it is definitely starting to look more and more like it may not be an expanding flat, but it may just end up being a pullback to this last impulsive wave down, because it is definitely one up, three down, and then one up again, and we are sitting at the 78%. If it does, turn down, there's a good chance that it is the end of an ABC correction, which is the end of a pullback to this move right here. And if that's the case, then it probably will go all the way back down. So kind of a crucial area right here. You can see that we've been sitting at the 78% for about 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 months right now. So definitely a very, very crucial area. Going down to the weekly time frame, and we do have what looks like a complete 5 waves up. I mean, this could be a complete pattern right here. If that is a complete pattern, eventually it probably will go down. It probably will give us a break of structure, which would prove to me that the whole move up is over. It would also prove to me that the move up is a wave C, and that it's likely not a wave 3. And if it really is a wave C, then it would likely continue the downtrend, making lower lows, lower highs on these very high time frames. Now, none of that really is true unless we get the break of structure. It could push down, make a higher low, and just keep on going up, forming that expanding flat forecast on the monthly time frame. So anyways, taking it down to the daily time frame, I've been thinking that this was a big flat on the daily because this right here turned right at the level where a flat should turn. It's definitely 1, 2, 3 waves down. It's definitely 1, 2, 3 waves up. If that's true, then this needs to make lower high, lower high, lower high. It needs to go down. If it's a running flat, it would go likely to the 100%, making a higher high, and then continuing up. If it's an expanding flat, then it would more likely go down to the 161 or the 178% for an expanding ABC. But if it does, end up breaking that structure on the weekly, it may end up being a complete trend reversal. It may not end up being a flat pattern. So anyways, going down to the 4 hour time frame, market's been pretty sideways towards the end of last week, mostly because of the US government shutdown, which I don't think is resolved yet. So we definitely need to be a little bit careful with that. As long as it does not break this high right here, we are technically still in a downtrend on the daily. So, maybe this is impulsive up like wave A, maybe this is like all supposed to be a wave B, maybe do it now in like a wave C, and eventually it's going to bounce and then continue the downtrend. Like I said, I would definitely lean towards the bearish analysis unless it goes up and breaks this high right here. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, and depending on what kind of trader you are, I mean, technically it probably is going to drift up more. It's probably more likely to go up and retest some of these highs up here. But I definitely would keep an eye on my Fibonacci retracement levels. If you get a break of structure to the downside at a Fibonacci level, I would definitely stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts again. Because like I said, we are likely in a flat, either a running or an expanding flat on like the 4 hour to daily time frame range. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.